Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 16 by 16 photo light box. Now this is great because if you need to take pictures of something, the biggest challenge is lighting. So this solves all those problems for you. It looks really simple to put together. You do have the instruction guide. You've got your 2 light panels. You've got your box, all your rods, your connectors, your carrying case, 3 lighting connections, so you actually have plenty of light within here, and you have 6 different colors, so you can actually change the color reflection to complement whatever item you're trying to shoot, and then your plug. So I'm going to bring you in here close, and we are going to get this assembled and try it out. So we're just going to simply insert each one of these into the holes, and we will make our 16-inch square, and then once we have that, we'll then put our light box around it. They do give you a couple of extra spare parts, which is really nice. So they've got the little clip for the lights and some of these extra little brackets at the top here. Now our next step is to put it inside of the case. So now we have this case on here, and you can see this reflective side in here. That's what your light is going to bounce off of all around here. And then you have multiple ways to be able to take pictures in here, which I'll show you here in a minute. But first, let's get our lighting set in. Those are just these little brackets right here. And then they are going to clip in on the top area up here. So now that we have all the lights up, they actually have a little hole right up here at the top that we will then feed our cords into. So that way you don't see the cords in your picture. And then we will get that all plugged in and ready to go. So now we got all 3 cords up here. Then we just attach our outlet cords onto the other, and we will plug them in so all of our lights will be working and ready to go. Then all we have left is our drop cloth if you choose to use the drop cloth. So you do have a nice remote here. You have it off, and then you can just have it dimming, and the brightness can go up. It's just a nice stepless dimming setting. So here is our drop covers here. You can see you've got, a lot of different colors that you can use for a variety of different things. So then if you did want to use, say, this nice gold color, it just lays in here and reflects all of your colors really nicely. Now we've got our box with like a more of a yellow lighting. And then if we did want to photograph whatever you're wanting to photograph, say you have a nice little piece of artwork that you want to put in there, you can just sit that in there, and now you see all these shadows. If you just simply use the cord here, we can actually just see how much difference that makes. We turn on the light and it removes all of those shadows for the item. Here are these clips that just simply clip in your drop cloth, and you have a variety of ways to take pictures. Now you can close this, have this down like this. You can take your picture from up on top here. So if you wanted an overhead picture, you just undo this Velcro and get a nice lighting picture from that way. You can open up this part and take a picture from this without having the other part on. And then you kind of get all of the angles and then have this nice reflective siding on it. So this is a really nice box that you can use for taking pictures of items within 16-inch box. Has all of the different backdrops in it, and it has a carrying case. You do also have these nice filters to go over the different areas. So that way it just kind of softens the light. You have one with a hole, and then one that is just a standard soft filter. And they just have these nice little hooks to be able to go over this area here. And you can then hang that up, and that just kind of softens that light for you if you wanted to use those as well.